How to get unblocked from Instagram live. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to get unblocked from Instagram live. So first thing what you can do is just head over to your setting, and once you're inside here, scroll down until you see the apps option. Just tap on this application option and just search in for Instagram, just like this. And once you're searching for Instagram, just click on it, and again scroll down and click on storage option, and from here just click on the clear cache button over here. So once you clear all of your cache, simply come back and open your Instagram application once again. So just tap on your profile section once you're inside your Instagram application, and just click on this hamburger icon at the top right corner, and just scroll all the way down until you see the option to help. Just tap on this help button over here and just click on report a problem, and again click on report a problem without checking. And if you like to include any of the complete logs, you may include, so I'll just click on not include right now. And you can also upload your screenshots of your problem being faced, that is you getting blocked from Instagram live. So just explain your issue over here. So once you upload your screenshot and regarding your issue and describe your problem, and just click on send, and your Instagram team will be supporting you regarding this statement pretty soon. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.